In this tutorial, we're going to examine once again Carnot cycle. Consider once again the process where, for instance, you have heat into a boiler from an energy source, and then you're going to input that into a turbine. Then you're going to produce work, and then you're going to extract that to the by a condenser to a sink, and then you need a pump to close the cycle. The best way to produce this kind of work is the next one. Imagine producing this work, for instance, first by a boiler, which is going to be isothermal process, and it will mean that the heat will only be dealing with will be getting into the steam in this case by isothermal process, which means that there is no going to be a change in internal energy, so the heat is going to be introducing itself without changing in internal energy. And then the turbine will be isentropic, which means that there is not going to be any heat or any irreversibility. Then you are going to extract the heat by a change in internal energy being zero, and then the pump will be isentropic once again, where the heat is going to be equal to zero. The process is seen like this when we do a TS diagram. Once again, it's going to be a boiler which is isothermal, an isentropic turbine, an isothermal condenser, and an isentropic pump. The efficiency of the cycle is going to be equal to 1 minus TL over TH, being TL, for instance, the temperature on the lower temperature sink, and TH will be, for instance, the temperature on the high temperature energy source. This has, for instance, to be less than 1, but this will give the maximum efficiency of the cycle. And the value of this is that, for instance, the thermal efficiency increases with increasing the average temperature at which the heat is supplied to the system, or with a decrease in the average temperature at which the heat is rejected from the system, or both of them, which means that the maximum thermal efficiency will be increased whenever we are doing this ratio, TL over TH larger, and this might be, for instance, by decreasing TL or increasing TH. And sorry I said larger, but actually this TL over TH has to be lower, right? Lower, sorry. So by decreasing TL or increasing TH. So this is Carnot cycle, and this will give us the maximum efficiency of a process.